Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video we are going to learn how we can change the profile photo of Instagram without changing the Facebook photo. So it is pretty quick and easy. Let's get started. So first of all, what you have to do is just open up your Instagram account, and from there you have to click on the profile icon which is present on the bottom right hand side, and after that you have to click on edit profile. And from here, over here you can see at the top there is an option for edit picture. Click on that, and from here you have to select a new profile picture, and from here you have to just select a picture which you want to post it over your profile photo. And once you click on the done button, you have to just get a few options, like if you want to rather change it to the Facebook or not. If you want to change it to the Facebook also, you have to click on yes, otherwise no. And in this way you can just change your profile photo of your Instagram. So thanks for watching the video. I hope this video was great help to you. If you find this video helpful, please do share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day.